this one, if you click on this sell button, when the price is falling, you will still be making money. That's the time you
Okay.
will make profit. You get.
Okay.
Whereas if
Yes, sir.
somebody here, let me be very specific with these things. From this point, let's say this point now, right?
Okay.
Somebody
Yes,
decided
sir.
to enter for a
Yes, sir.
buy. I predicted that
Yes,
the
sir.
price should go up. So a buy
Yes,
means
sir.
you are buying for when the price goes up, you will make money. So,
Yes, sir.
uh-huh. So you now enter for a buy around this point now. It means
Yes.
anytime if this price had continued going up, you'll be making money. If it had continued
Yes.
going up like this, you will just keep making money. This green part of this tool that you are seeing.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
But you see, if it goes against you and comes down, and let's say you put your stop loss here, it will hit you, which means it will collect the money that you have and give it to those that predicted that the price will go down.
Okay.
You get, ba?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Now,
Oh, okay.
so at this point, some people predicted that the price will continue going up, but it did not. It rather went down. So they will collect their
Yes.
money because they will put their stop loss here. So they'll collect their money.
Mm-hmm.
The more the price keeps going against them, they are deducting your money and giving it to those that say, yes, the thing will go down. You get. But if you had predicted that the price is going to go down at this point, and you put your stop loss somewhere here, so you are saying that when this price reaches here, take the money in my account and give it to those that say the price should have gone up. Because me, I'm predicting that it should keep going down. It should keep going down in this green part. So you predicting that it's going down means you are going to what? Click the sell button. You are going to click the sell button. So it means you say the price is. So the moment you see this price going down, going down, going down, you will be having profit. You get
Okay.
that? You'll be having profit.
Yes.
So whoever said the price should have gone up, they will collect his money and give you.
Wow.
That's what happens essentially, these buy and sell buttons. So trading
Wow.
is all about buying and selling. You don't do spot trading in Forex. You
Okay.
get it? Uh-huh.
Yes,
If
sir.
you are holding for a very long time, then it means you have enough funds that even if the price goes against you, and there's no limit to the extent to which price can go against you. So that's the reason why there's something they call a stop loss that you have to fix in order for that you get in order for it to help stop the loss that you
Loss.
are having. So you are
Okay.
putting a limit to the amount of money that you want to risk. That's what the stop loss is all about.
Yes.
Let's say from here, this point where you entered, this point to this part where is red, you risk $100. So it means if this market had gone against you to hit this point where you predicted that if it reaches, they should collect your money and give to another person, it means that they will collect your $100. So if you were risking $100 here, once the price reaches this point, they will collect your $100 and give others. Now, if the price should go in your favor, how many times is the distance from here to this point?
Okay.
You will see it from this thing. This place they are writing risk reward ratio. So risk to reward ratio is 2.59. You get?
Yeah.
So it means if you are risking $100, you would have made times 2.59, which is like $259 if it goes in
Wow.
your favor.
Okay.